In a rare glimpse, the episode traces a global magnate's morning as sunlight fills a private villa. A disciplined routine blends mindful workouts, strategic reading, and a calendar that starts with gratitude before brisk decisions. Midday reveals exclusive experiences, from private art viewings to backstage meetings with visionary founders worldwide. Yet the narrative stays relatable, showing small habits like batch tasks, intentional meals, and mentor time. Viewers learn how patience, purpose, and principled choices shape wealth that empowers others without losing humanity.